How to send one-time picture on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, one-time picture basically means that if you send a picture to a person, after they open it once, they cannot reopen the picture. So, in order to do that, what you're gonna do is first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your device. After you do that, go to the chat you want to send the one-time picture to. Then, down over here, you can see the camera icon. Click on it. Now, you can either click a photo from camera right now or select a photo from your camera roll and send it. I'm going to click a photo. After you do that, over here you can see an option which says add a caption. If you click on it, you can add or write anything to the photo. And beside it, you can see an icon over here which has written one over it. Click on it, then click on OK. And then this will be a one-time picture. So after you click on send, it will be sent in this format. After they open it once, they cannot reopen the photo. So this is how you can send a one-time picture on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.